house. This video is meant to give you an overview of the courses that your child will be taking this year. Math. I see 2 blue chairs and 3 purple chairs. Wow, look at all these trees. I wonder what kind of trees they are. Why do the leaves fall in autumn? Science. For social studies, we will be talking about voting and how it is our right as an American to vote. Liam, will you be voting on November 3rd? Going on a big run, we're gonna catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared, we're going. Well, anyway, we'll be reading lots of stories together. We're gonna do 1 novel this quarter. We're going to read James and the Giant Peach. And we're gonna talk about characters and problems and solutions. And we're gonna answer all those WH questions. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. In vocation, we are going to continue practicing those independent skills and working on a variety of job tasks, like sweeping the deck. We will be using Schoology this year as our main hub to get all of the resources and materials and information that your kids are going to need for the year. So I made a video on how to log in and access Schoology and how to find all of their different courses and materials. I know we had a really crazy end of last year and a bizarre start to this year, but I'm really looking forward to working with your kids, and I know we're gonna have an awesome year. You know where to find me.
Oh, why you did a thumbs up and then you started swinging? I stopped it.
I'll do it again. Hi, Uncle Drew.
Hi, Bubba. You swinging. All right, 1, 2. Oh no.
Have you been recording this whole time?
Yes.
It started back. That's good enough.
I don't know.
What, bud? What happened? I'm gonna sweep. Okay, ready? We're almost done. This is the last thing we have to film. It's so slow. Okay. You're dumb.
I don't know what you mean.
I mean, like, does it look okay or does it look
You're sitting on a hammock. What do you want from me?
like, do I look awkward or do I look
No,
like...
you look fine. You look like you're lounging.
That was very nice asking. I don't know if we can get on this together. Last time we fell. Did you lose a... Look at all this nature. Wow. Science. Did you know that this is an election year? Make sure to vote November 4th.